Hey everybody, welcome back to the SOLIDWORKS Electrical Implementation video series. This video is all about your origin destination arrows. So I have our project open here, and as you can see, I've simply added a connector and a few wire ends. I've also set it up on a second sheet, very similar. Wires are in a different order, but again, we have a connector with some open-ended wires. Now, origin destination arrows are designed to help you connect those sheets together. So in order to utilize this tool, we're just simply going to go ahead and select the origin destination manager icon. And when I do, you have a lot of different options in here for setting this up. First and foremost, when you first open up the software, it's most likely going to give you the horizontal tiles. I personally do not like to view them horizontally. I'm using a wide screen, so I'll put them side by side as we can see here. From left to right, we have our single insertion. So what this does, it allows you to connect one wire at a time. Multiple insertion will allow you to connect multiple of the same time. The delete here, or the multi-delete, will allow you to delete those connection points while working within the origin destination manager. However, if you decide to delete the origin destination arrow, you can from within the schematic itself, not just within this manager. The next few tabs here, next few icons here are dedicated to moving the different sheets around. So you can see here, I just moved to the power sheet, and then I will go ahead and find that vertical sheet. And then additionally, you also have the ability to change the type of symbol, because not everybody wants to use an arrow. Some industries require this octagon shape here with different information. Again, these are just symbols that you're putting on the end of your wires to connect to another sheet. So in this case here, I've already got my origin and destination symbols selected, and what you need to do is go ahead and select single insertion, and we can zoom in on each side and we can try to connect. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the blue wire here, and if we notice, it will not let me select the black wire, because if you remember from when we created or talked about our wire styles, there's a lot of information built into those wire styles, and one of them happens to help when it comes to connecting our wires here. So it will not let me connect to different wire styles. So I have to go ahead and select that. I'm going to go ahead and select the remaining few here, as we can see. And once that's all set up, all I need to do is back out. We can come back to our main sheet, and we can see that our origin destination arrows are now set up. Now, the way I have this set up is in this template, because remember, a lot of this information when I created this project was carried over from a previous project and now added to this template. All it's doing is telling me that this is connected to sheet 4 and it's on row 4 within that sheet. And if I want to, I can simply double click that and it will take me to the opposing page. So in this case here, it's on sheet 5, row 2, as we can see. Now you can always go ahead and change that information. Again, as I said before, this is a symbol, so I can open that symbol up and I can add new attributes to this particular symbol. In this case here, all it's doing is giving me the sheet and the row that's on there. But if I need to know destination information, what actual equipment is being connected to this, you can add those additional attributes by inserting the attributes from here. You can also control some of that information from our projects configuration tab on how that information is being displayed as well. So origin destination arrows are pretty straightforward. Again, you have to have a schematic set up. You have to have your wires in there. Then you can go ahead and select this icon, which will open the origin destinations manager. And you can go ahead and start selecting those. And one last thing, you cannot, as I said before, you cannot select wire styles of different types and connect them together. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.